What's up, you guys? Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a makeup haul. If this is your first time watching me or my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, make sure you click the little notification bell so you can be notified of all of my future videos, because you never want to miss a single upload. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I do all types of hauls, product reviews, and everything. So make sure you're following me on Instagram at YvetteLuvsBeauty, and also make sure you are subscribed to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley TV. Let's dive right into this haul. To be quite honest, I don't have that much stuff. I told you guys my hauls were gonna start getting a little smaller because yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have to do another declutter very soon because my makeup collection is just building again. So your girl ain't trying to spend that much money on makeup, all right? But I do need to go and get some of the new releases so I can try them out, because that's what I like to do. So we went to e.l.f. I got some things from Ulta, from Target, and then also, no, that's it. e.l.f., Ulta, and Target. So let me show you guys the products that I picked up from e.l.f. They were having a little sale online, like a summer sale. So I didn't get that much stuff because they have all types of good skincare stuff that I want to try. But I just went ham on the skincare just a couple months ago, and I have so much stuff that I still need to go through. So I'm trying to hold out. So I just picked up just a few things, like I said. And the first thing I got is this 19-piece Luxe brush set. So one thing I love about e.l.f. is their brushes. They're super affordable, but the brush quality is absolutely amazing. And these are some of my favorite brushes. So I picked up, again, this is 19 pieces. I want to say this was like $10 or so. I feel like it was like $10 or so. It was really cheap after the sale. So I went ahead and got that. Maybe we'll do a full face of e.l.f. soon. Maybe we'll do that. Oh, I might do that. Then I actually got this palette for free for spending a certain amount of money. And this is the Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette. And it's just like a matte eyeshadow palette. I'm probably not going to open this because I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. I think I'm just going to add this to the giveaway. I'm not going to use it, and there's no need for me to open it and waste it. So that's that. And then from e.l.f., the last thing I picked up were just some solid brush soaps. So I've been picking up a lot of brush cleanser lately because I completely ran out, and I was like, ooh, I need to catch them while they're on sale and stop running out of them. So I picked up 4 of these solid sponge cleansers with charcoal, and these were on sale for like $2. So that's why I picked up so many, and they would only let me pick up 4, or else I would have got more of them jokers. Okay, so we'll see how these work. Next, I went to Target, and I just got a couple of things, not much, but I picked up 2 new Maybelline foundations. Well, these foundations are new to me, at least. And the first one is the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Airbrush Finish. And so, is that new? Dream Liquid Mousse? I thought it was, but I picked this one up anyway. It's in the shade 120 Caramel, and I hate that all of their product lines are not the same like shades. So it was really hard for me. I mean, it wasn't hard because I was in store, but I just feel like normally I'm toffee caramel and Maybelline in some of their products, and then some of them I'm other things because they don't have a toffee caramel in this. So I just hate that. Like, I wish if I'm toffee caramel in one product, I should be toffee caramel in all of them. That's just my little rant. But I got caramel, so hopefully this matches me good. But a product that did have toffee was this new Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup. And I know this is a new foundation for Maybelline, so I'm really excited to use this and test it out. Try and decide if I want to do an actual video or if I want to do an Instagram video. So you guys let me know down below in the comments if you'd want to see this on YouTube or if you want to see it on Instagram. So Ulta was having a 20% off coupon sale, so I went ahead and picked up all these items with that. So I did get a little bit of money off, but this little baby was $13. So that's why I love my minis, because they're already really cheap. I've heard good things about that. I've heard good and bad things about that eyeshadow primer, so we're gonna have to put that to the test. Next, I picked up 2 hand creams. I just like to throw these in my purse, and these are super moisturizing for my hands. So these are the Body Shop Shea hand cream, and this one's the Body Shop coconut hand cream, and these were 2 for $12. They always get me in that little grab and go section right there by the counter, so I just picked these out of there. And yeah, I love these little hand creams. They're great, and I just throw them in my purse. I keep one at my desk at work. I keep them down here in this beauty space. I keep one in my nightstand by my bed. So I have these everywhere, and I love them. Next thing I got was another brow pencil. This is one that I've talked to you guys about a million times, and it's the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and I got this one in the shade Espresso. So I didn't really need a new brow pencil, and I didn't go there to purchase a new brow pencil, but I was like walking around the store with Morgan and Mariah, and I told Mariah to hold the eye primer just to give them something to do so they wouldn't be touching and stuff. And Morgan's like, I want something to hold, and I'm like, fine. And I ended up picking up this eye pencil. But nonetheless, I love this eye pencil. I've talked to you guys about this before. It makes my brows pop, and it's only $5, so love this. And last but not least, I picked up another LA Girl product, and it's the Hot Heat palette. And this one's, is that what it's called? Hot Heat? Yeah, eyeshadow palette. And I thought this palette was so cute. So they came out with 2 new eyeshadow palettes. This one, and then there's another one with more warm tones. But I asked the girls, like I said, I was there with my daughters. I asked them which one I should get, and they looked at this one and told me to get this one. And I agreed because I have so many warm tone eyeshadow palettes, as you guys know, and I just didn't need another one. I'm trying to open it, but I just didn't need another one. So I went with the girls' suggestion, and we'll get a video out with this one definitely. So here it is right here. First off, the mirror is huge, which is awesome, but oh my goodness, let me take this plastic off. It does that thing where the actual shade names are on the plastic, which I hate, but whatever. Oh, look at that. And this palette was kind of expensive. I think it was like $20, but look at the pan sizes and look at those shades. It's so pretty. Now, this isn't a palette that I would probably use every day, but I could definitely see myself getting some use out of it throughout the summertime. And this is, I think this one right here, this is the shade that really did it for me. Like, me and my daughters actually swatched it, and that, oh gosh, that shade like really did it for me. Look how pretty that is. I cannot wait to put that on my eyeballs. Alright, you guys, so that is it. That's everything that I picked up. If you want to see any of these products in a more dedicated video, please make sure you leave that down below in the comment section. Also, if you have any other video ideas or requests, leave that below in the comment section as well. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, you guys.
I'm the landscape you need to see.